Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to CarInfo Commander, your ultimate destination for everything about supercars, hypercars, and exclusive car modifications. Today we're counting down the top 10 most expensive Mansory cars in the world for 2025. From supercars to SUVs, these rides redefine luxury and performance. Let's get started. Number 10. Mansory Porsche 911 Turbo SP 9LM EVO 900. Kicking off our list is the Porsche 911 Turbo SP 9LM EVO 900. Mansory took the classic 911 Turbo and added aggressive styling, carbon fiber body parts, and performance upgrades. A rare beast for Porsche fans. Number 9. Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venatus Evo S. Next is the Lamborghini Urus Venatus Evo S, an SUV turned into a track-ready luxury machine. Wide body design, sporty upgrades, and Mansory's signature styling make this one of the most expensive SUVs in the world. Number 8. Mansory Rolls-Royce Ghost. The Rolls-Royce Ghost by Mansory takes luxury to a whole new level. With handcrafted interiors and exclusive design touches, it's not just a car, it's a statement of prestige. Number 7. Mansory Lamborghini Aventador Carbonado Evo. The Aventador Carbonado Evo is a hypercar dream. Mansory's carbon fiber work and performance upgrades turn this already iconic supercar into a dark, aggressive monster. Number 6. Mansory Gronos 6x6 P900. For something extreme, check out the Gronos 6x6 P900. This six-wheel SUV combines off-road capability with Mansory's luxury, making it a one-of-a-kind jaw-dropping machine. Number 5. Mansory Bentley Continental GTC V8. The Bentley Continental GTC V8 by Mansory is pure elegance and class. With luxury interiors and performance tweaks, this car is perfect for those who love refined supercars. Number 4. Mansory Ferrari SF90 Spider. The Ferrari SF90 Spider gets Mansory treatment, combining Ferrari's raw power with extreme luxury and custom craftsmanship. It's a hypercar that turns heads everywhere. Number 3 is the Bugatti Veyron Sapphire Edition. Mansory transformed the legendary Veyron into an ultra-exclusive hypercar with full carbon bodywork and bespoke interiors. Truly limited and extremely expensive. Number 2. Mansory Whisper of Ecstasy. The Whisper of Ecstasy is all about high luxury and exclusivity. Only a few units exist, making it a rare collectible for elite car enthusiasts. Number 1. Mansory Bugatti Chiron Centuria. And finally, the king of Mansory builds, Bugatti Chiron Centuria. Full carbon fiber body, insane power, bespoke interiors. This masterpiece is the ultimate symbol of wealth and automotive perfection.